Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, Coder and Techie VR. What are we going to be doing in this video today?
In this video, we're testing out the new Backrooms update, but as you can see, a lot has changed in this game since we last played it. What just happened?
Yeah.
I think we should first try to figure out how to get to the Backrooms, and then, try out.
What should we do?
I think first we should try finding, the Backrooms and stuff, and then go in there and try it, and then after that we should look around the new map and stuff. Okay, I think maybe it could be over here.
Hang on, I've got something that will make us go quicker to find it.
Oh, okay.
Well, I haven't played this game in ages.
I'll just grab a stick. You can buy, Backrooms parts, like walls and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Give me another stick.
You've got one on your back.
Oh, I do? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should go to the shopping area first.
Oh, yeah. This has changed a lot.
Oh, wait, this is literally just a shopping area. There's Creative Studios in there, but I don't think it's in there. Do you think a train actually ever comes?
I don't know, but I want to look.
Is there a barrier? Yeah, it's
Oh, yeah, there is here.
So I don't think a train would come through here then.
No. That'd be cool if it did, and it could take you places.
Yeah. Like you could go to the front of the train and then you could choose where you want to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is not the area. What?
Just looking at this new drip.
Oh, it's like the blocky update, basically. Okay, I'm going out.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go look for the back rooms.
Do you think maybe it could be over here?
I'm not sure.
So, we haven't actually played the game since the last time we made a video on it, so we don't really know where anything is either.
No.
Let's go over here. There's a crashed thing over here.
Oh, yeah. That looks like a UFO.
There's a river now. And a cabin.
Oh, yeah.
Well, multiple cabins, actually.
Let's see what this is.
If I can get up.
Oh, I fell. Wait, I've got an
No. Okay. I'm gonna go up here.
Yeah, go up this way.
There's another button. I think this is a button at least.
Yeah, hang on, I'm coming.
Okay, let's try to press it.
Ready?
Yeah.
2, 1. Both of us do it. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh, crap. You just pressed the button. Oh, I think you have to press it with your hand. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
You hit me too?
You can do it if you want. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, it's a cannon. It was not a cannon.
Where are we?
I don't know. Whoa.
Whoa.
We're in space. What the?
We're in space.
Oh, wait. How do I go up? Let's go over there. Let's go over there towards that ball thing, since we're drifting over this way anyway.
Yeah.
Why am I going down?
This is
Oh, so the thing we went through was like one of these things that's
I'm
I
going
guess,
down too.
Yeah, you just have to do this really quickly. Like swing your
Going
arms.
towards a black
up.
hole looking.
Yeah, I stopped going down. There's a button. There's a big button on there. Wait, where'd you go? Hello? Where'd you go? Hello? Oh. Okay. Well, I'm up here near the button. I have to let go of my stick. It's harder to move with it. I'm never getting that stick back. I have one on my back though, so.
Yeah, I threw my stick too. Oh no.
Yo, there's a button up here. Do I press it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What'd that do? I don't think it did anything. Maybe I gotta press it again.
Did it not?
I'm gonna go on top.
Yeah, that doesn't do anything, I don't think.
No. What the? Should we even
Whoa,
go
what's
in there? Yeah. I'm gonna go in.
Me too.
What the? Oh, there's a barrier. We can't go in.
Oh.
Well, where do you want to go first?
up to that? Where do you want to go?
I think that's where we were originally. I think like we came from there or something.
Yeah,
I think maybe we were supposed to go in the spaceship. Let's go over here, I guess.
Yeah, let's go have a look at that. Try to push off the buildings and stuff and drop.
We have to go to the part where it's broken.
Remember
Wait.
to.
Okay. We should go to that floating door next. No.
Yeah, we should.
Oh no. No, I'm gonna miss it.
I'm nearly at the spaceship.
I'm at the spaceship, but I gotta get in first. Are you going to the part where it's like broken, or? I mean, the gravity's normal in here. And there's cars. I'm not gonna drive those yet. Where are you at?
Look out the window. Hello.
What? Wait, where
Can
are
you
you?
see me?
I don't see you.
Look out the window.
Oh, I do see you.
Hello.
Let's test out these things.
Whoa. Wait, can you drive?
You go to that one. There's another one over there.
Yeah, I'll go to this. Maybe they're like fake.
Wait, let's look around first. Let's look around. Actually, no, we can come back.
They look like the Star Wars things.
Wait, how do you go up?
Oh. You know your right grip. Your right grip on your controller. You hold.
I can't go up. I know I'm doing something, but I can't. I don't think.
Hold on to it with your right hand too. Like you need to hold on to it with both hands. And then hold down this. Hold down. Not working for some reason. Try holding down your right trigger to move. Try that. Oh, it's just not moving.
Wait, I'm gonna try with this one.
Wait, hang on, come here, Kula. I've got one for you. Or should we just try going one? Like, does it let you grab on the back?
I don't know.
I'll buy you a vehicle. There you go.
Yeah, but the question is, does it work?
It works for me. Your car works for me.
Wait, what are you pressing?
Yeah. Okay, so when I grab onto it, I hold down my right trigger and the right grip. Like, you see this one? That's to go forward. Does it let you grab onto?
It's not working.
Oh.
What's that?
Look at this upgrade.
You have to get something to put it on there, though. Wait, no you don't. Never mind.
What?
Wait, how'd you do that?
I like put one of these on the front and hit it with the wrench. I'll put it on for you if you want. Do you want me to do it?
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah. I'm gonna see what
Oh.
else you can do.
Oh wait, you can.
It'll let you grab.
Yeah, you can drive. I'll shoot.
Yeah. Good idea. Oh, okay. Ready?
Yeah. But what are we gonna shoot? Like asteroids or something?
Yeah.
That doesn't do anything. Oh, maybe these
Oh, you
things.
shoot that. Hang on, let me hold it still.
Oh no, those are bombs.
Oh. Should we see what other upgrades there are?
Yeah. I feel like we should go over there next, because there's another ship thingy.
Yeah, we'll go over there. Let's just quickly see what upgrades there is. How's your taxi?
Okay. There's like a shield module, and then there's a stasis. Okay, I'll go.
You can put it on.
Wait, can you take this off, or? I'll put these.
So get them out of your hand. You click A. Yeah. I don't know where I am. Oh, I think you can only choose one.
Wait, let me see if you like hit it with the wrench. Maybe it does something. Yep, not doing anything.
I guess when we go to the normal world, should we go mining? Because then I can get a big ship.
You can?
Like, I can get a big ship. Like,
Huh.
these are big ships. I can get a big ship. All I need now is 2 more. Wait, how many of them do you have?
Huh? Well, how do we get out of here?
Should we go to that other spaceship you wanted to go to?
Yeah.
Coda?
Yeah.
I can't. Oh, now I can hear you. I
Okay.
couldn't hear you before. So, did you say you want to go to that other spaceship?
Yeah. But what's that?
That's a black hole.
Oh, no, I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the big blue thing above us. You want to go into the black hole, see what happens?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What if I shoot into the black hole? Oh no, we're dying. Oh no, we just died. Oh no. We shouldn't have gone into the black hole. Okay, respawn. Oh, wait, we spawned here?
Oh, we're in space. Yeah, we're in space. That.
This is nice. Oh, we're back here again.
I can work for you. No.
Yeah, mine's so.
What's up with the what goes on?
Why can't I drive?
I have no idea. Who do you want? Oh wait. Where do you want to go next?
We should go to the floating door.
Go to where? Go next.
Can you hear me?
Oh, I can't hear you, Steve.
Oh, you can't? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, I can hear you now.
Okay, let's go to the floating door.
So where did you want to go again?
The floating door, maybe? I don't know where it is, though. Can't
Did
see
you
it.
want to go to the blue thing?
Sure. Oh, there's the door. We can go to that after, I guess.
Oh yeah.
What if it also starts killing us? Wait, I think it's electric. Yeah, it is. It is. Don't go inside. Let's go to the door, I guess.
Oh. No! I'll come pick you up.